The PPM1 is designed to test a variety of PON network technologies such as G-PON, E-PON, XGS-PON, and 10 gig E-PON. These different technologies can coexist on the same network. We refer to these coexisting technologies as layers. Typically, 1 or 2 layers will be present. Using the layers setting, you can preset the PPM1 to the right wavelength and pass-fail parameters to ensure proper measurement. Now, as you can see, the PPM1 is configured to measure the correct technologies, which are displayed on the screen.